body mass can vary daily to a small extent and profoundly over a longer period of time. In all tests based on ground reaction force measurement, especially power-oriented ones, the systematic acquisition of body mass before the beginning of the test is of essential importance. It enables the correct calculations of relative power as well as many other parameters. If there are problems with the correct automatic analysis in different jump tests, first make sure that the appropriate weight has been set for the subject. The weight module can be entered by clicking on the Weight button in the main window. A pop-up window opens. The subject should not step on the force plate until offset is finished. After offset is completed, instruct the subject to step on the force plate. Instruct the subject to put their hands on their hips, stand still, and not cough or talk during weight acquisition. When ready, click Start. Weighing lasts for a few seconds. When finished, the measured weight is displayed. If the measurement was successful, click Accept to save the measurement. If the measurement should be repeated, click Start again. If you would like to repeat the zero offset process, click Offset. To exit the weight module without weighing, click Cancel.